Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Here I am with another new product, another review by Colorbar, the Colorbar Water Bomb Magic Water Primer. Now this Magic Water Primer comes into a nice cool blue package. Now this complete range has two more products, the moisturizer and a sleeping mask. I went ahead and picked up the water primer because you know I'm a primer junkie. I love using primers, and primers which are into a cream format, I'm all up for them. So I did went ahead and picked up this one from Colorbar website. It did costed me a little lesser than the MRP because I did use a coupon code. I will leave a coupon code in my description. You can avail 20% off. Now yes, this will cost you 850 rupees MRP and you get 30 ml of product, and this product is made for all skin types. Now this is how the body of the primer looks like. Very stunning packaging. I really like this sleek blue packaging. This really stands out in my whole primer drawer. I know that this is Colorbar primer. And then when you open it, you get this nice interesting pump dispenser, which really allow you to have a control how much product you want. Now let's see what Colorbar has to say about the product. Simultaneously, I'll share my thoughts with you on this stunning product which I have been using past 2.5 weeks, because yes, I did discover this product on Colorbar website. When I saw it, I knew it that I want this one. I got it and I've started using it. You have already seen me using this product in my glass skin video. Water Bomb Magic Water Primer is a silky feather light glow primer that delivers instant hydration and protection from pollutants. Yes, it is silky, it is feather light, it is very comfortable, and it gives you enough hydration to hold up your makeup whole day. This innovative soft pink gel transforms your skin into a smooth canvas, ideal for long-lasting makeup application. Yes, this will hold up your makeup for longer hours. It is not going to budge just because it is a hydrating primer. I feel more than silicone based primer, hydrating primers would hold up your makeup really well because they have a really nice sticky texture to them. When you apply it and when you start putting up your foundation, it just soaks up the foundation and just fix it on your face intact. Otherwise, with the silicone based primer, what happens that if the silicone based primer is not made for your skin type, your foundation would start flaking up. So I personally enjoy cream based primer more than silicone based primer. So yes, I did like the finish of this one. Now this has H2O beta complex, which contains special actives and light diffusing spheres that rolls into your skin to reduce the look of the pores and the wrinkles. Now please don't mistake this line with pore minimizing and minimizing your wrinkles. This is not going to happen with this product. This will just give you that illusion of no pore or reduced pore and reduced fine lines, because this is more of a hydrating primer. An anti-hydrating product does give you that illusion that yes, your fine lines are reduced or your pores are reduced, but no, technically they are there. So don't get mistaken with the pore minimizing and reduced appearance of the pore. And you can use this product AM to PM, and it is made for all skin type. Yes, it has a lot of interesting ingredients which I don't want to get into in depth because I'm not judging this product as a skincare product. I'm judging this product as a normal primer I would use underneath my makeup. But it has H2O beta complex, which includes Phycocells beta, which prevents collagen and elastin. And then it has aqua heroes, which are responsible for locking and retaining the moisture. Then it has marine actives, which stimulates the production of hyaluronic acid for soft and hydrating action. Then it has a light diffusing sphere, as I mentioned earlier, which gives you a more reduced feeling of reduced look of pores and wrinkles. And then it has hazelnut, which will give you a more softened skin and moisturize your skin well. And it has cloudberries with antioxidant benefits. So all in all, it has very amazing ingredients in it. And yes, their ingredients, the contents are made in Switzerland. So yes, all in all, I really like the ingredient list. Frankly speaking, Most of the times I don't read the ingredient list when I'm buying a primer, because frankly speaking, when I put a primer on my face and if my makeup stays longer and I feel happy about the product, it's done. That means that it is a 10 on 10 product for me. So what do I feel about this product? It's well made. If you are a combination to oily, you will still enjoy the product, and if you are a combination to dry, sensitive, you will definitely enjoy the product because it is a hydrating primer. It is made for you guys. But combination to oily would also enjoy this product. Yes, it does make my foundation stay longer, and today I am wearing this primer. It just gives me that nice inner hydration or an inner glow on my face, and I really like it. Any kind of foundation I wear, being it a super matte foundation or a matte foundation, I still have that nice glow happening on my skin because of this interesting primer. I have been using this primer from the time I've got it, and frankly speaking, this is getting finished faster and I have to repurchase and keep it with myself, because yes, I am in love with this product. So if you were eyeing this one, you should definitely get it, because when you put this primer, you will just have the best skin after your makeup done, because it just gives you that nice sheen glow on your face, and it looks very much healthy glow, and it really keeps your makeup long lasting. Your foundation doesn't budge, your foundation doesn't flake because the hydrating properties it has. So all in all, a wonderful 10 on 10 product by Colorbar. Get it, grab it from Colorbar website. I have still not seen this product on Nykaa, so I will leave the link for the Colorbar website, and do use the coupon code to avail 20% off on this product. Nobody asked me to say all this. I'm saying it by my own wish, because if you can save 20%, why not? But yes, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful price. So I hope you loved watching this small mini in-depth review on this interesting product by Colorbar. Do let me know if you want me to try out something else, something new. But yes, that product should interest me also simultaneously. Leave down your comments. What do you feel about this interesting product? And I will be leaving down everything in my description. Do check out my recent videos. And yes, there is a small giveaway which is happening on my channel as well as on my Instagram at Advancing Geek. So do check out my Instagram page too, because I do a lot out there. I will be here soon with some more reviews, some more skincare, some more makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram at Advancing Geek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.